Anokiwave has always been a market innovator. We've taken feedback from our customers that understand the radio requirements and incorporate features to make these radios better. We're constantly hearing feedback for higher efficiency and higher levels of integration. We were the first company to release a quad beamformer on the market 6 or 7 years ago, and that's become the industry standard. And that's allowed a scalable use of an IC architecture for phased array applications. Fourth generation of product that we recently released has much greater efficiency than that first generation. Every generation that we've released has shown improvement in efficiency. And this, all of our products have been scalable across the ecosystem. So we can supply into the CPE markets or the repeater markets, small cells, and up to infrastructure markets as well. Some of the integration features that we've added over the years have been things that have allowed our customers to minimize or completely eliminate calibration at the phased array level, and that's offered a lot of cost savings to our customers. The current release that we have in our fourth generation part includes a dual channel up-down converter with an integrated phase lock loop and synthesizer chip in there. And that level of integration is going to allow for easier applications of MIMO applications, cloud-based solutions. It's going to lead to the next generation of industrial digital transformation. So these are really breakthrough integration levels that we're seeing on our product base. Our customers are also asking for integration of multiple bands. So this current generation covers N257 and N258 in one IC, and then N260 and N259 in one IC. And that allows our customers to develop products that have one SKU for easier supply chain management. All of these features have been incorporated into our Gen 4 product release. Millimeter wave phased array technology is very challenging technology. We want to take the millimeter wave part out of that and allow our customers to operate as if these are sub-6 gigahertz modules that they're plugging into their systems. That's one of our goals as an antenna team, is to help that in our ecosystems.